Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we have this, a little bit more military-looking watch. It's not a smartwatch, it's just a typical normal clock watch, and I thought I would share it. It has a leather strap and comes in for a really cheap price, which is kind of exciting to see. And it has this, military look to it. And as you see, we got some nice side pieces, and all in all, actually a really nice presentation of the watch here. Um, I'm kind of confused once in a while though when I look at it, that we have these centerpieces here, because there's a lot going on. I couldn't figure it all out yet, but there's the date and stuff and some digital numbers. And this is interesting. On the side here we got this huge button, and it also is connected with a little spring to the side, and I think they kind of want to have the military look by doing that. I'm not too sure though, because it doesn't really do much. You can stop the time, and you see there's like digital numbers as well. They light up when you push the button, and then you can check out the date. And here you can stop the time, as I said, and on this side you can reset the whole stopping the time. So yeah, pretty much really interesting and neat looking piece, if you ask me, and I'm pretty happy with this, if because I think it looks just really masculine, and it's just a different approach than your classic watch, which I always love. You probably know that by now. We had a couple of videos about watches on this channel, like actual watches. But this I thought was something different and interesting to check out. But yeah, if I had to choose, I probably would still go back to the classical, typical watch. And yeah, this is all I have to say for now, you guys. So you take care, and I will see you around. And until the next time.